Hello everyone and welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful DeLonghi cappuccino espresso machine. Now for this machine we did a tune-up and we also had to replace the water tank. This one is the replacement, one is the older water tank. The magnet sensor of this water tank is no longer making the machine detect that the water tank is low on water. So whenever you insert it, the machine thinks there's always a full water tank in here when in reality it is not. So we replaced that and we gave this machine a tune-up. We had to replace the brew unit. This one, as you can see, is not on the original position anymore. This is the original position. This one gets stuck in this position. This causes some stress to the machine as well as some wear and tear to the transmission and some parts of the machine itself. So yeah, we had to replace it and replace it with a newer one. This one that you see right here. This is the box, but it's inside the machine. We descaled this machine as well. Deep clean everything around it, clean the spouts, and yeah, just give it a good tune-up. So starting with one shot of espresso, we're gonna test the machine out. Then we're gonna use some hot water, as we don't have the since we do not have the cara to the cappuccino or anything like that. There you go. Machine just grinded the beans. Got them into this container where this is going to press that ground coffee and it's going to extract it once the water pump starts shooting water through the thermoblock, going through the mechanical band, going through to the bottom of the brew unit and then into the spouts, as you see right here. And you can see nice steady stream coming out of the machine, working excellent. We are on the 5 setting of the grinder, so we can still grind this coffee finer and get a little bit more crema. But as you can see, it was a nice excellent shot, really good crema, working great. However, for this machine, it's a nice steady stream as well, working perfectly fine, working great. So there you have it, the DeLonghi cappuccino working once again and ready to brew. Thank you so much for replying with Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to our channel for more content every day, and thanks for watching.